let's do it.
So glad you're mine, princess, my angel.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, my name is Rayna. If you are new here,
First off, welcome.
Rain Gang, welcome back, sis, for another video. I was invited to the Fenty Hair launch in LA, which is insane to be thought of. It was so many creators and all the things in Hollywood. I'm based here in LA, and I had to leave early, so I didn't get the products. But Fenty Hair sent me their PR box, and I was like, oh my God. I'm not trying to make this video long. I'm just trying to get to the nitty gritty. All right. So in the PR package, we received the Rich One. Ooh, it's very... I hear that. Okay. The Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. Bada bing, bada boom. The Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner. Deep Conditioner, which I love to hear. It's called the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. Everything seems to be pop top. Cool beans. The Curl Defining Cream. I'm not a cream girl. We also have the Strong Hold gel, and then of course Rihanna wouldn't be Rihanna if we didn't have an edge control. This is the hair thickening edge control gel, and then we went ahead and got this side stick 3-in-1 edge brush, the protective type 5-in-1 heat protectant styler.
Listen, after I wrapped up everything, I saw this on the floor behind me. So, you know, I thought God had forgotten about me, but they had the comeback kit as well. Can't wait to try it.
I will not be doing this in the shower, okay? We just gonna go over to the good old sink. I'll be back in 5, 4, 3, 2. Smell is so good. Suds up immediately. How was the scent? Magnificent. It's like a fragrance that I would wear if it was like a perfume. It's floral, but it's like fresh. I can't pinpoint it, but I absolutely love the smell. And one thing about me, I don't care who you are. I'm not pumping up nothing that don't deserve to be pumped up. Okay. Anyway, I thoroughly enjoyed this shampoo. Thoroughly. And I'm not a big shampoo person. Shut it up very well. The scent is immaculate. My hair doesn't feel stripped, but it feels very clean. I wouldn't say it provides ample moisture, but my hair does not feel dry. Skipping the moisture repair conditioner. I'm going to go straight into the moisture repair and deep conditioner. It's 11.5 fluid ounces. Okay, cool. Thank you, Riri. She did her big one with the scents. This is a smidget different than the shampoo. Hold on, y'all. Please hold. So it's pretty creamy. I have had thicker deep conditioners and I've tried lighter, and I find that I enjoy more of a thick consistency for a deep conditioner. We're going to go ahead and just apply this. Ooh. Is this the deep conditioner or is this the cream? Yeah, this is the deep conditioner. Okay. So I only split my hair in sections when I style, never to deep condition. I do not need to do that. You always got to do what works for your hair. That's my little mantra. So the reason why I decided to split it is because the application is not really slippery for me. All right. So I wet my hair down just a little bit to see if the application would be a little bit better. That's better. That's better. That's definitely better. So I did not detangle. So let's see what it's doing. Now, it doesn't have a ton of slip, and that's fine for me. Go ahead and detangle. Now, if I'm being completely honest with y'all, I don't struggle with detangling woes. So I wouldn't measure how well this detangles on my hair because as you can see, like we're done. But it does have semi-good church slip, you know, little slipperoo if your hair is still kind of wet. So for me, it did not work well as far as application on damp hair. So just be mindful. This could have a ton of slip for somebody, but for me, in my house, we will serve the Lord. I'm sorry, we will put the deep conditioner on the way that it's going to work for us. Yeah. All right. You know, some products just feel like expensive. It feels like Rihanna definitely may have, you know, stirred a few batches, you know what I'm saying? Just the only thing for me is just the lack of application ease. I'm gonna do my makeup because we look a little rough right now, and we're gonna get to styling, which I'm sure that's what you guys are here for. So let's go ahead and rinse, and I shall be back. Giving new person when the makeup is done. I know the deep conditioner, like I'm not like wowed. What I decided to do, because I know a lot of you guys are coming for the actual like styler for the curls, which is the curl cream. And like I said, this is the gel, which is supposed to be for like slick backs. That's why it's not the same size. I'm not a cream girl, but I just figured, let me just go ahead. I was gonna skip straight to the jelly, but this is really for top knots and not a wash and go. So I just adore the smell. I love the fact that it does have a pop top. I lose tops all the time. So this is very good for me. For a styling cream, it does feel rather thick. But it feels like it has some movement to it. So cool. But let me just see if this mixes with the gel. So we're going to put some of the styler and then the gel, and they do not mix.
What?
Which is very weird. So we can't cocktail that because this is how it's going to look on my hair. I've come too far by faith, leaning on the Lord for that to happen. So let's pivot. Let's pivot. Let's do half and half. All right, so we are going to dip into this curl cream. It's called the Home Curl Curl Defining Cream. Again, I'm not a cream girl whatsoever, and so I did not want to try this, but I feel like this might be helpful to somebody. So we're gonna go ahead. Wait, does it have directions? What does it say? So it is rather creamy, pretty creamy. And I'm going to just put it on the hair. The application, first off, is amazing. It slides right on. Y'all know, I don't... Nope. Wait. Please hold. Rihanna, let me find out. Okay, hold on. Please hold. The way that this feels like a doggone gel. Look how I look for products to weigh my hair down. I weigh it all down, please. Because the way my hair is going to spring back up. And so it needs that weight. I don't like, give me stronghold. Weight, put some weights on it, okay? I didn't expect it. It's the fact that it coated every strand. And I only took a little bit. That's crazy. That creams don't do this for my hair. And see if it does anything. My curls are springing up beautifully. Did Rihanna just make me a curl cream girl?
Wow, how disappointing was that question?
We don't know nothing till it dries. I'm not getting excited. You're not gonna get me excited. That's what you're not gonna do. And I literally am just dipping my finger in here. And that's the amount that I'm using. I'm lying. I'm gonna dip it one more time. Then I'm gonna use that amount, okay? This don't happen in my hair with creams. You know how long I've been doing this? I've been in this game for a very long periodically time. Creams don't do this for me. That's why I became a gel girl. I don't have not one complaint. Now, if this was a gel, I would. For this to be a cream, this is pretty awesome. This is my resistant area and it is laying down like it's a doggone gel. I'm gonna tell you one thing. If this dries and I am upset, look, I almost cussed. Look at this. You don't understand. Wow. Okay. I do not wet my hair down when I'm applying gels. That's just not my thing. I'm more of a damp girl. But for creams, I find that I need to have drenched hair. So I asked you guys on Instagram what's more helpful because I'm just not all about trying to get the views and all the things and being the first person and all the, like everybody, So my thing is, am I being helpful? Do I need to test this out a couple times off camera and then come with a full review? Or do you guys want to see me do my first impressions? A lot of y'all said first impressions, and I understand. It's just written all over my face. Y'all were like, do both? I really want to see first impressions. So it's because y'all trying to get me. Because you know I can't lie. I understand. I'm going to go fill this up, though. You think you slick, but you're not. And you don't need a lot of product. And I love that. I really wish the gel was compatible with the cream. I just feel like it would just so freaking well. While this does its thing and marinates and cooks and air fries, we're going to go ahead and do this section of my hair or this side of my hair, but we're going to do the gel. So we are going to take the jelly type on this side of the hair. Now, again, it's not for wash and goes, okay? This is just out of pure curiosity. but it's pretty thick. It's a nice consistency. So immediately no. Immediately no. This isn't a let's do it while soaking wet type of gel. Go ahead and take another quarter size amount, see what it's working with. Curl cream actually has the better application. Again, this is not like advertised for a wash and go. This is more for slick backs. But because I'm a gel girl, decided to just try it. Oh, you see how that just I like gels because I feel like you don't have to work super hard to get the curls that you desire or to define the curls that you do have. I gotta wire. All right, can you tell the difference? This is the gel side, which I like for my hair to be weighed down. And then this is the cream side. Okay, so it's a little bit more, lightweight and all the things, all of that. So we're going to move forward. Shout out to there being an edge control. And then, of course, they sent over their edge brush. And it's giving this typical edge control consistency, not giving like it's gonna be a stronghold, lay you down all day, which is what I prefer. There are ways around that. I use Pump It Up spray to hold my edges. This is going on very nicely. I will say all of these products have a really good application, and I can appreciate that because I don't want to be working hard for products to work on my hair. I am going to take my pattern blow dry, which I use all of the time. So this is how it's looking straight out of being diffused. This is the gel side where my curls are curling. There's a crunch, which I love. And then the cream side, which is very soft and not as shiny, not as defined. There is some frizz. Let's go ahead and get to the true test, which is stretching my hair. This is how I know if a product is good, if it can withstand a good on stretch, because I stretch my hair. Okay. We don't just leave, we don't. So as you can see, my curls are defined. It's just not my liking. Tons of shrinkage. So we're going to go ahead and stretch. Rihanna, let me find out. Stop playing with me. This looks great for a cream. Like for a cream, it looks great, period. This is a cream. This is a... The cream side, I am speechless. It has like a hold to it, but it's not a crunch. Very, very soft, very hydrated. It feels very healthy. It feels like maybe I don't know. There is some frizz right in the front. Even being stretched, it still has definition, except in the front area of my hair, which I feel like could be a quick fix. In my resistant areas, even sometimes gels can't even get this area that well. It held up pretty okay. This is pretty good. It's, oh my God. Wow. The gel feels exactly how I would hope that it would feel. Tons of definition and shine. I think that's why I don't really care for creams, because it doesn't give me the shine that I want. Yep. Wow. Yes. Okay, so this is the gel side, which is my preference. I have like it has like a crunch. It does feel like I used the gel, but it still is rather soft. Like it's not, this is good. Oh. So before I style, let's compare, okay? Cream side, okay? And this is the gel side, which again, this is not meant for wash and goes per se. Cream side, it's giving fluffy, it's giving airy. I do have lots of frizz, some type of hold there a little bit, but no crunch at all. And I prefer crunch. Side is the gel side, which is my preference. This I can tell I would get 4+ days for sure. It does weigh my hair down. It does lose its shape, but this is my preference because of the shine and the hold that I get. Okay, so as far as the cream goes, this is one of the best creams that I have tried. in a very long time. You do not need a lot at all. This will last you. Would I be using this again? I absolutely will use this again. Is it worth it? You consider all things. Is it worth it? Oh, I don't know. If you're a cream girl, yes. The jelly type, again, it's the typical gel. Would I use this again? Absolutely. My hair feels amazing. My hair feels so good. Now, if you're looking for a gel to flick back, um, I don't know. I think it's a great addition. Is it a necessity? This will probably last me maybe like 4 more times or so. This line, this is good. Like, this is good. Fenty team, I will say, at the hair launch, they were so sweet, so nice. I didn't get much footage. Beautiful. From what I heard, Rihanna was just the sweetest. This is refreshing. This is great. I gotta go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful for you. I will leave everything down below for you to find it, the links. And yeah, check out other reviews always, because everybody is gonna have a different experience. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much.